More healthcare workers are becoming infected while caring for patients as we continue to respond to the coronavirus pandemic. Now, a Fargo Sanford provider has tested positive for COVID-19. Valley News Team's Courtney Lockie has the latest.
On Monday, a Fargo Sanford provider began showing symptoms of COVID-19. Immediately, they self-isolated.
This provider does not work at the hospital at all, actually only works outside of the hospital and clinics.
Health officials say no patients or employees at any Sanford facilities were exposed, but that wasn't the case for 7 residents and some staff at Eventide Senior Living Center in Moorhead.
We have been in contact with Eventide, the Minnesota Department of Health, and have been in close communication with them.
Officials with Eventide say they were notified Friday and have reached out to all families. So far, no one has tested positive for the virus.
We've moved to twice-a-day screenings on our residents, and we do it for all residents. Anything symptomatic, we would push forward for some additional testing.
Eventide President John Rewer says anyone who came within 6 feet of the provider for 15 minutes or more are in a 14-day self-quarantine. He says 3 staff members are in self-quarantine at this time, and all residents at the facility have been in self-quarantine for about 2 weeks now.
It's very difficult for our residents. The isolation is really difficult, but they all understand for the most part that this is really being done to prevent an outbreak and for their own good health.
Sanford says they will now only see Eventide patients virtually. They also say they will be quicker to test healthcare workers who are showing even minor symptoms. In the FM area, Courtney Lockie, Valley News Live.
Sanford says they are working with North Dakota and Minnesota state health departments and are following CDC protocol.